How to fix Gpedit.msc not finding on Windows 11. 1. Enable group policy editor with a batch file. See code below. At echo off push %dp0 dir/b %system root %/servicing /packages /Microsoft Windows group illicit client tech tensions package 3star.mum list.txt. dir/b %system root %/servicing /packages /Microsoft Windows group illicit client tools package 3star.mum list.txt /et %% %i list.txt 2 null, dudism /online /no start /add package %system root %/servicing /packages %i pos 2. Enable group policy editor via command prompt. See code below. For %f. System root %/servicing /packages /Microsoft Windows group illicit client tools package.mum. Do dism /online /no start /add package %f. For %f in system root %/servicing /packages /Microsoft Windows group illicit client tech tensions package.mum. Do dism /online /no start /add package %f. 3. Update Windows.